Hello and welcome to another episode of Let's Try to Fix It. Today a fast job. Here I have a vintage rhythm machine from Wurlitzer. It's a model 5020 electronic swinging rhythm. And the problem with the unit is that these buttons here, the push buttons, have contact issues. So I will open it up and clean these buttons. So let's remove these little potty caps, and then we have 4 screws at the underside here. Let's put them out. These units are quite valuable today because they sound really cool and it's worth fixing it. It's not a complicated fix. You need a little bit of contact cleaner and you can do it yourself, but unplug the unit before you open it because it's harmful when you don't do it. So let's see what's inside the cabinet. Here we see that row of push buttons, and here are the potentiometers. They are fine, but we will clean them anywhere. So I use a contact cleaner, spray cleaner, and I will begin with the pots here. That's not only pots, there are push buttons too. No, it's not a big problem. Give him a shot of cleaner and they will work fine again. I think this unit is from the early 60s or late 60s, I don't know. A very, very cool unit. So you see, I don't know, you won't see it, there are a lot of integrated circuits inside these. For the time it's really good. So push buttons. And you see the buttons here are mechanical too, with springs. Cool. It's really old. I can't get to the push buttons really good because I would need to get there from the other side, but it's not possible without disassembling anymore, so I give them a shot from above and hope that the cleaner will soak in. This unit wasn't used for years, so these switches weren't pressed all the time, and that's not really good, but I think when you use it a few times it will be good again. So I will put it back in his cabinet and we are done. If you like such videos, please like my channel and share my videos. I will do a lot of repair stuff videos. So don't forget to subscribe. I will put in this last screws here and then I'm ready. See ya!